Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the registration process on the WhiteBIT crypto exchange, your first step into the world of digital assets and trading. We'll break everything down clearly, so even if you're brand new, you'll know exactly where to click and what to do. I'll show you how to create an account, activate your bonuses, fund your wallet, and buy crypto, all without stress or confusion, step by step, so you feel confident and in control. And here's a bonus. If you register using our link in the description, you'll get up to $6,200 in rewards, a great boost for any beginner. Ready? Then let's not waste time. Hit that like button and let's go. About the exchange. WhiteBIT is a modern crypto exchange we confidently recommend to both beginners and seasoned traders. It's got everything you need. Easy crypto swaps, advanced trading tools, and even passive income options. The platform offers over 400 trading pairs and the company has offices around the globe, from sunny Portugal to distant Australia. This is a serious player with a global reach. What makes it stand out? Unique features like staking with up to 30% annual returns, demo tokens, practice trading with zero risk, instant verification. WhiteBIT is built to make your entry into the crypto world smooth and straightforward, and we're here to walk you through it. Registration. Registration is your very first step, and it's super simple. Just follow these instructions and you'll be done in a couple of minutes. Step 1. Visit the website. Open your browser on your phone or computer and go to WhiteBIT using our link in the video description. Why our link? Because it takes you straight to the registration page and unlocks your bonuses. Step 2. Click Sign Up. You'll find it in the top right corner of the site. A registration form will appear. Step 3. Enter your email. Make sure it's a valid email. You'll receive a confirmation code there. Step 4. Create a password. Make it strong and unique. And don't forget to write it down somewhere safe. Step 5. Referral code. Enter our code CP6969, also in the description. This unlocks bonuses up to $6,200, a great start for beginners. Step 6. Agree to the terms. Check the box to confirm you accept the platform's rules. Step 7. Click Continue. You'll receive an email with a 6-digit code. Step 8. Enter the code. Open the email from WhiteBIT, copy the code, and paste it into the site. No email? Check your spam folder. Step 9. Log into your account. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Enter your email and password, and you're in. Verification. Verification on WhiteBIT is how you confirm you're a real user, not a bot. It's optional, but we highly recommend it, especially for beginners. Why? Because it unlocks powerful features. Withdraw up to 100 BTC per day. Work with Euro, USD, etc. Access extra tools and bonuses. For beginners, it's quick and easy. Here's how it works. Standard method. In your account, fill out the form, full name and date of birth. Upload a photo of your passport or ID. Take a selfie holding the document and a note that says WhiteBIT plus today's date. Submit the request and wait. Usually takes up to 24 hours. Once verified, you'll unlock new features and receive welcome bonuses. By the way, check the video description. We've collected useful links to the best exchanges, wallets, and services to help you get started with crypto confidently. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, where our expert team shares daily updates, market insights, and helpful tips. Deposits and withdrawals. To start using WhiteBIT, the first thing you need to do is fund your account and understand how to withdraw your money later. The exchange supports both crypto and fiat currencies, and for beginners, it's easy if you follow the steps. Crypto deposit. Go to the wallet section and click deposit. Choose the coin, for example USDT, a stable and beginner-friendly option. Select the TRC20 network. The fee is just around 30 cents. Copy the wallet address and send crypto from another wallet or exchange. Fiat deposit. In the wallet section, go to fiat currencies. Choose your currency and click deposit. Enter the amount, add your card details, and confirm the payment. Withdrawals. Click Withdraw, select your coin or fiat currency. Enter the crypto wallet address or bank card number. Type the amount and confirm using 2FA. That's a code from your authenticator app. We'll explain it in another video. Important. Always double check the network before sending crypto. A mistake can lead to lost funds, and for beginners, this is especially critical. Stay alert. Trading on WhiteBIT. Trading is the main reason we come to an exchange, and WhiteBIT offers two key formats that are great to start with. Spot trading. This is the classic way to buy and sell crypto at the current market price. The platform offers over 250 coins and 400 plus trading pairs like BTC USDT. The fee is just 0.1%, which makes it ideal for beginners. Go to the trade section, choose your pair, enter the amount and click buy or sell. The interface is simple. Price charts to track trends and order tools to make quick trades. Futures trading, a more advanced format. Here you can trade with leverage up to 20. For example, with 100 USDT, you can open a position worth 2,000 USDT. It's exciting but risky, especially for beginners. The good news? There's a demo mode where you can practice without using real money. We cover futures trading in more detail in a separate video on our channel. Be sure to check it out. That's a wrap, friends. WhiteBIT is a truly user-friendly exchange, and we confidently recommend it to beginners. Everything is simple. Registration takes just a couple of minutes, verification is fast, deposits are hassle-free, and trading is easy to understand, even if you're just starting out. We've done our best to explain everything clearly, so you can begin your crypto journey with confidence. No fear, no confusion. Use our link in the description to sign up. Unlock bonuses up to $6,200. And join us in the world of crypto. Thanks for your like and subscription. Your support helps us keep creating even more valuable content to help you grow.